Hi guys, in this video I'll share my exclusive Glitching AI promo codes with you. These codes give you the highest lifetime discount on any plan, and they're valid for both monthly and yearly subscriptions. To claim the discount, click the link provided in the description. It will direct you to a special page where you need to sign up by clicking the Get Started button to create a new account. Make sure to use my link in the description to sign up, otherwise you won't receive the lifetime discount. You can sign up using Google or by filling out some basic information. I'm choosing Google to sign up. Once you have finished signing up, you'll be taken to the pricing page, which looks similar to this one. You'll find two plans to choose from: physical dropshipping and digital and physical. Simply select the plan you prefer on either a monthly or yearly subscription basis. I recommend choosing the yearly plan because it gives you an extra 70% discount compared to the monthly plan for a lifetime. So with my promo code, you'll get both the promo code discount and the extra 70% off, which is a great deal. Now, let's go through the process of applying the promo code for both monthly and yearly plans one by one. If you prefer to purchase on a monthly basis, select the plan of your choice, either physical dropshipping or digital and physical. In this video, I'm going with the digital and physical plan, but you can use the same promo code with the physical dropshipping plan too. After selecting your plan, click on Choose Plan and then choose the Add Promo Code option. At the time of this video's creation, the highest discount code available is 50 off. However, if better deals or updated promo codes arise, I always add them to the video description. So make sure to check the description for the latest discounts. Although I'm using 50 off in this video, applying any other updated promo code follows the same steps. Now enter 50 off in uppercase and hit apply. You'll instantly save almost $160 each month. Complete the checkout process and you're done. Now let's move on to the yearly plans. Similar to the monthly plans, select your preferred option, either physical dropshipping or digital and physical. Once again, I'll choose digital and physical plan, but remember, this promo code applies to both plans. Click Choose Plan and then select Add Promo Code. As of the recording of this video, the highest discount code available is 50 off. However, keep an eye on the video description as I'll update it with better deals or new promo codes. Even though I'm using 50 off in this video, the steps for applying any other updated promo code remain the same. Enter 50 off in uppercase and apply it. You'll instantly save nearly $720 a year for a lifetime, plus the extra 70% discount that is already applied when you chose the yearly plan. Complete the checkout process and you're set. That's it. You have successfully redeemed the Glitching AI promo code and saved money. All the latest and updated promo codes are included in the video description in case you want to copy and paste them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know if this Glitching AI promo code worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.